so today we are going to be designing a business card for a brand. All right, so we're gonna make it quick. I want us to create something no one has ever created. We want to create something unique and different from what's out there. All right, so guys, watch me as we create. I've gotten the little resources I need for this design, and oh, it's just the image. It's just the image. All right, let's go get the image. I think I'll be needing. Because I really don't want to waste our time. I really don't want to waste our time. All right, so let the image rest. No, this one they add on, but let the image rest for now. Let's start with this design. Let's start with designing the front where you have the numbers. All right, let's go. Let's go. So the first thing I want to pick out is this. Meanwhile, the size I used is 1280 and 800. 1280, 800. All right. Now let's go. So the first thing I want to bring out is this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to change it to black now. I'm going to change the color to black. I'm going to rotate it to 90. Okay, take it back. Minus 90 degree. I'm going to just take it to the middle now. Drop it in the middle. This is what I want, guys. Now I'm going to copy it, and the one I copy, I'm going to shift it to the side. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take a black shape, and I'm going to fill in the space and like this. Right now, I'm going to turn this one to white. This one on my other hand to white, to the color white, and let me see the previous color and see where it should turn. Okay, I'm going to rotate it. Sorry, I'm going to rotate it this way. I'm going to reduce the size a little bit. I'm going to turn it, shape it like this. I'm going to turn it to white. Guys, just watch me carefully. I'm not ready. Look at what I'm doing. Alright, so this is it. I'm just going to rotate it a little bit. Yeah. Now I'm going to make some adjustments so that so this is it, guys. Yeah, I think I'm very cool with what I see right now. Okay. Yeah. So now the next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take a a shape, change it to this color. Look at the color code CD8EOO00. All right. CD8E00, and put it this way. Put it this way. Now, meanwhile, I'm going to take another shape of this color. try to decide and please take this particular one to the front. You see what I did? All right, so guys, we are good, we are good, we are good. Let's keep going, let's keep going. So all right, now, so I'm going to include the text. We don't have much time to waste. I'm going to edit it to our name, Iloka Victoria Uguna. Uguna. Don't worry, we don't need to put the position. Sometimes you get to put CEO or so we're going to use this font, Leaks Pattern Bold. I love it. But if you don't have it, you can make use of this font in this particular font here. This particular font here. Alright, if you don't have it. Or use any font similar to that. Try using any font similar to that. So I'm going to take this same shape again. And I'm going to turn it this way. Now I'm going to adjust it a little bit. The black. Then I'm going to take a black shape. Just look at what I'm doing, guys. I'm trying to cut it. Then I'm going to copy it accurately. So now for this, let me change the color to white. White, because I want to cut it, merge the two of them together, and erase. I've gotten what I want, guys. Alright, I'm going to use it. So what I'm going to just do right now is to draw it a little. So so the first we have on our list is a calling number. A calling number. So I'm going to copy it. So I'm going to change this font to something very we can use tighter. Now make sure that when you're designing your this thing is very bold. Okay, this is not good. To give me a little thick font that I can use. this is the second. So the second thing I want us to put is our Instagram page. Let's copy it. Our Facebook then. So guys, we are going to edit the name to be Elok Victoria at gmail.com. So guys, that is it. The last I have for the list. No, it's here Yellow Victoria is supposed to be. Okay, yeah. That's great. Wow, this is very nice. Now let's go to where our address is. Oh. Now for the service, we are going to put the service at the front page. At the front page. At the other back. Don't worry, I'll take you guys when we get there. So I'm going to go to spacing since this um now I want to check. Okay, okay, yeah. You are put on the same line. Now your alignment has to matter very well when designing. Alignment has to matter. Now it's time to include our icons. Our icons. Let's start with the location. So I'm going to change the color to this. Then I'm going to copy and crop. So the WikiWigs is the Facebook account. WikiWigs is a Facebook account. And the next is Instagram. Let's check the size. 813. Now let's reduce the size. Now, guys, we are ready and we are good to go. We are good to go. It's the Gmail that's the cocoa now. Let's go and get the icon. After that, we're going to get the our logo that we're going to be using. Guys, you have to be very careful about your alignments. Make sure that everything is well aligned. Not one will be flying to America. So, guys, we've gotten this aspect of the stuff. So, I want us to include our email and um, our logo. And now, this is where I have issues with. Alright. Okay, this is cool. Now, I think we are okay with this because so on the front page, we get to put in the pictures of the designs that we want, guys. So let's just save it. Let's save it. Let's save it. Let's cross check. All right, let's cross check. Anything, anything, anything. I wanted it to be very simple. So in the front we get some. Let's just save. Let's save. Let's save as. Yay, PNG. That's exactly what I was supposed to save it as. Okay, I'm gonna save 1280 800. Do not forget. Now we're going to save it as projects. Now that we are done, we're just going to paste all of these things. I don't think we need it. We need it anymore. Let's create the front design. It's a front and back design. It's a front and back design, guys. So for this design, I'm going to take out my stuff again. This particular material, the rotation. Let me rotate it to be the normal size. Now I would. Okay, what if I change this side to black and change this thing to yellow? Oh, guys, this is crazy, right? Mm. All right, let's look at the before. Okay, this is nice. I want to create a shape. Alright, let me go and get. So I would like to just adjust this particular one a bit. I'll copy it, and this particular one I'm going to crop it this way, like this, and I'll take it down. And for this one, so I'll crop it this way too, and I'll take it down. Should I turn it? And I'll take it down, guys. Crazy, right? Nice, and looks a little bit so design is very interesting. It's just the ability to create things. All right, so I think we are good here. We are good here. I want there to be provision for. Oh shit. I want there should be provision for space where we are going to write our services. That's sales of high of quality hairs. Okay, let me change it to sales of high quality hairs. I'm going to copy and paste. Okay, let me put a full stop. There is a font I used the last time. This font in the spacing. Before I get a picture, let me do the alignments. Yeah, so this is it. Very nice and look very almost romantic. So, all right, guys. What's the next thing on our list? Our hair's service, right? So this is it. Our logo. I have a problem of how I want to insert this logo right now. It's gonna be like a problem, guys. Let's see if we can max it. guys, this is looking somehow plain. Meanwhile, let's work on the pictures first before we. Okay, I know what to do. What if I. She must be low. Mm. So, guys, the first was very easy. I don't know what's wrong with this. What's wrong with this? So, guys, let's change it. Let's bring in new design. Now I want to just so guys, let's try and see how we can make this work. How many stroke is here? 8 stroke 8. This 2 is also 8. See if I can use the size of this. Now let's now work on this side again. It's not as so guys, it seems we've come to the end of this particular this thing. I think this is all I can do for now. Terracotta hairs. Should there be any mark? Let's see. So guys, I think that's cool for it now. Let's see removing it or not putting it. I'm a little bit confused, but guys, this underlining that doesn't make sense. So let's go and save it. Let's save it. Let's save it. Let's save it. Now we don't need to put the logo anymore. Now we're also going to save this particular one as project. I'm also going to save it as project. Now let's put it in default mode. White plus shape. Okay, let's opace it. Cycle stroke color. Let me reduce the radius to 10. Is 10 okay? 10 seems to be too much. All right, so let's reduce it. Let's go to texture. Guys, this is how we created it. So you look at the full screen. Wow, wow, wow. That's nice. That's nice. All right, so you done for this design, and you're just going to go back and save. Save. So now it's time to submit to the owner. Congratulations, we are